Yo, niggas swear I'm like being biased when I say this shit, but Armanii is that nigga. Armanii can run dancehall. Armanii can become the next prince or king of dancehall because he's versatile, flow immaculate, and him know if just produce good music for both men and women. Like, listen to this shit.
Cause me pussy never send a boy go get a prescription yet a bumbo clan. Me nah know milli 14 in a me panty.
Everything.
All up here on your pussy never shut a man.
Feel only me never go a hug your man. Walk out and shake your butt and put up your hand up.
Pull up. Pull up, I think you can play my song one time.
Cause me pussy never send a boy go get a prescription yet a bumbo clan. Me nah know milli 14 in a me panty.
Everything. Hold up your hand, your pussy never shut a man.
What make?
Feel only me never go a hug your man.
Why?
Walk out and shake your butt and put up your hand. No bag a man can tell how your pussy done. It take the nigga, you a bubbling girl your band. Got them woman girl and who fit take your man. So you think a so you talk a so you hot and you know what good your pussy pan your forehead and your hand. Good on, girl and so you rock it.
Flow, style, voice, immaculate.
Pull up, inna your pussy me back. Send it up inna your belly, make you couldn't walk. Fuck you till your back, give you something fi go talk. And you a wine like bro, you a boom it off. Put it in a slow-mo, make me see your dance. Never know what's so your bad with the pussy clat. The way you bubble, you a put the killer in a trance. Hold up your hand, your pussy never shut a man. Feel only me never go a hug your man. Walk out and shake your butt and put up your hand. When you bubble, you a put the killer in a trance. Hold up your hand, your pussy never shut a man. Feel only me never go a hug your man. Walk out and shake your butt and put up your hand. No bag a man can tell how your pussy done. You take the wiggle, you a bubble, girl, you bad. Got them woman, girl, and who fit take your man. So you think a, so you talk a, so you hot. And you know what, with your pussy pan your forehead and your hand. She make it queen for me. Setting it for me, I beg you sing for me.
Yeah, man, body of hey.
Jiggle money, make you see your big body. And like a acrobat, so you boom flick body. And you a wine like pro, you a boom it off. Put it in a slow-mo, make me see your dance. Never know what's so your bad with the pussy clat. The way you bubble, you a put the killer in a trance. Hold up your hand, your pussy never shut a man. Feel only me never go a hug your man. Walk out and shake your butt and put up your hand. No bag a man can tell how your pussy done. You take the wiggle, you a bubbling girl you bad. Got them woman girl and who fit take your man. So you think a, so you talk a, so you hot. And you know what, good your pussy pan your forehead and your hand. Me woulda mad if you go get another man. Bring your pussy, you want get a summer slam. Me wanna fuck your girl for you all along. You make me dizzy when you shake your bottom. And you a wine like pro,
Yo, you want
me
look tough.
Put it in a slow-mo, make me see your dance. Never know what's so your bad with the pussy clat. The way you bubble, you a put the killer in a trance.
Hold up your hand. Hey, no for no man can hold up with the ad still it up. I tell the truth. No for no man can hold up with the ad it up. Alright.
Never shut a man. Feel only me never go a hug your man. Walk out and shake your butt and put up your hand. No bag a man can tell how your pussy done. You take the wiggle, you a bubbling girl you bad. Got them woman girl and who fit take your man. So you think a, so you talk a, so you hot. And you know what, good your pussy pan your forehead and your hand.
Alright, let me just break it down. Dancehall have a few new prospects when me really think like can tough up a league. See? When I say tough up a league, I mean like become the great in a dancehall. Youngster, that's a one. Don't overlook youngster. The man they tough. The man they can become the next Sizzler, next Capitan, and they're tough. Armanii, Malidan, Skipper. I feel like if them man they really focus on music or music only, I feel like dancehall can get back to where dancehall was. Cartel come out of prison and bring back dancehall to a level of dancehall supposed to be. Man, I sell out arena not once or twice, but multiple times. Double shows. Never see a man do that yet. Never see a man do a stage show in the arena and sell it out twice, back to back. Cartel alone, I do that. Or I say I never see a man do that, I mean, where dancehall is projected. You see me? Where dancehall is concerned. But anyway, man, big up yourself. 10 out of 10. Like, people really bias when people think me bias when me review like I Idonia song and a Armanii song, because like, yo, them they're like, everybody knows Dona me artist from day one. Like, I might G that. Them Monday is my king when it come on to dancehall. Who are king of dancehall is Idonia to me. You see me? But I feel like Armanii is the prince. You see me? But when I tell them from Carter is the dancehall king. You see me? Like, them man they deserve that. Like, them man their music is beyond. Carter one the alien in the dancehall. Just like how Dona to me is one the alien in the dancehall. You see me? But if you put Dona and Carter together, I feel like that'd be a good clash. You see me? I feel like that'd be a good clash. Best clash dancehall I'll probably ever see. In terms of lyrics. You see me? But yeah. But anyway, like, comment, share, subscribe. Man, big up yourself. Video 10 out of 10. Well put together. Video match the song. That's what I keep on telling you guys. Stop singing about girl and put one bag of man in the song. You see me? And that's what I want. Anyway, like, comment, share, subscribe. See you in the next one.